Welcome. Today, I'm going to walk you through the updated process of opening your messaging page on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a powerful tool for networking and staying connected with your professional contacts, and accessing your messages is a key part of that. So, let's dive right in. First, open the LinkedIn app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged in. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the top corner of your screen. You should see a messaging icon there. It looks like a speech bubble. Simply tap on that icon. Tapping the messaging icon will take you directly to your LinkedIn messaging page. Once you're on the messaging page, take a moment to browse. Here, you'll find all your active conversations, previous chats, and any new message requests. You can scroll through the list to find the conversation you're looking for, or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate a specific person or keyword. From this page, you can also start a new message by tapping the compose icon, which usually looks like a pencil or a plus sign. This will allow you to select a contact and start a new conversation. The messaging page is also where you'll receive notifications for new messages, so be sure to check it regularly to stay responsive to your contacts. And that's it. That's how you open your messaging page on LinkedIn using the updated steps. Whether you're catching up with colleagues, reaching out to potential clients, or engaging in industry discussions, the messaging feature is essential for making the most of LinkedIn. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Now you can confidently navigate your LinkedIn messages and stay connected with your network. Happy networking!